the Sydney Ferry on our way to the Green Globe Awards to see if I win the Youth Sustainability Champion Award. So we're on our way. And you can see here that we have the whole city of Sydney, or at least some of it. And you can see the beautiful ocean, and then there are many boats out here. You can't see at the moment, but trust me, there's loads. Anyway, so we're going to have a great time and we'll see you there.
Up to the age of 25 years who live in New South Wales and are instrumental in delivering environmental projects, demonstrate outstanding leadership in influencing and changing community views and drive environmental change. So Chris, would you please do the honours?
Happy to. This is the first year that we've had an award for a Young Sustainability Champion. I think it's really important to recognise our young people that are coming through and really trying to make a difference on sustainability. So it's great to see this added to the awards this year. As the award grows, of course, we hope to uncover some astounding young people making a difference to their planet. We only have one finalist in this category, so as you can tell, they're also the winner. So it's my great pleasure to announce that Holly Somerville-Knott is the 2014 Young Sustainability Champion.
Holly Somerville-Knott is already a seasoned environmental activist and communicator. As CEO and founder of Sunrise Entertainment, passionate to take away from people and the environment, Holly knows audiences with her speeches and songs, helping to raise awareness of climate change, sustainability, homelessness, and conservation. Holly has formed impressive partnerships with global youth movement Earth Guardians, US TV network HBO, Lock the Gate, and the Uplift Festival. Real, loud and clear, Holly is a voice of the next generation, inspiring young and old towards a more sustainable future. Congratulations, Holly Somerville-Knott. You are the winner of the inaugural Young Sustainability